Okay. Good morning. Do you see those lights in the distance? Right now I'm trying to zoom in. I'm at my driveway at the house here in Texas, Austin. And those lights in the distance, let's see how many we've got. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 7 big ones. Anyway, those lights are right at the Formula One track in Austin, Texas. It is March 2nd, 2012. They had these construction lights on all night. They just started this in February, and I wanted you to see what's going on. I know they're just lights, but trust me, those lights are at the new Formula One track. It's almost daybreak here in Texas. As you can see, I'm on a road. Well, you can't see, it's too dark. But I'm waiting for this car to leave. And hold on. Getting a little busy. It's 6 in the morning here in Texas. Uh-oh. I hope he doesn't hit me. No, 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 no. Oh, man! No. Okay, we're okay. Okay, one more and then we'll go back to Formula One. Okay. This one I'm not too afraid of. It's going a little slow. I know he can't see me because it's too dark. Okay, now we're back. Alright, but anyway, yeah, 7 big lights I see. And anyway, the construction here comes another one. Sorry. Okay. I'm at the end of my driveway. Let's see here what we got. We got some Texas. Let's see. Okay, that's the neighborhood light. Okay, let's get back over here. I probably got another 30 seconds on this. But so you can see that these lights, these giant lights, are on all night. Now I'm not sure if they're working at night, but I'm going to find out if they are. But there you go. Those are the lights. Not UFO lights. As you see, they're not moving. They're the lights of the Formula One track. And soon I will send you footage of the track. Maybe even today. You see, I just made my premiere on YouTube on February 28th. And now look at me go. Okay, so there's the big lights. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait a minute. No, can I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yeah, 7 lights. So it's 6 in the morning in Texas. Stay tuned for more footage. This is the premiere of Formula One. Our premiere on YouTube for Formula One. I'm standing at my driveway.